Vocal Compressor Shootout 2023. In today's episode, I'm gonna go through all these vocal compressors, and you guys can just kind of decide, which one you're rocking with. We got the Wave CLA76, JST gain reduction, the Fruity limiter. I'm gonna be using the FG Stress in the Virtual Mix Rack by Stephen Slate. I got the Waves H Comp, the famous R compressor by Waves. We're even going to throw in the Waves Bus compressor. It's not really for vocals, but it can sound good on vocals. And then we've got the Arouser. This is a pretty sick plugin. And we're going to try out the FabFilter Pro C2, as well as the Shadow Hills mastering compressor. So I'm basically going to play the track by itself, and then we're gonna A/B all the different compressors so you guys can kind of see the different flavors that we're working with and decide, what your favorite vocal compressor is. So let's dive on into it. Here is No Compression.
I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. But this shit for show it.
All right, let's throw on the CLA76.
I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. But this shit for show, it ain't. I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. But I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. But this shit. I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. But this shit for show, it ain't no gimmick. We don't do no internet beef and keep me out your mentions. I'm a dog, I'm a shooter in a black van, spinning down your block like I'm Batman. Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. But this shit for show, it ain't no gimmick. We don't do no internet beef and keep me out your mentions. I'm a dog, I'm a shooter in a black van, spinning down your block like I'm Batman. Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. But this shit for show, it ain't no gimmick. We don't do no internet beef and keep me out your.
Alright, now I'm gonna A/B the compressors against each other.
Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game. I just need the Bentley, yeah, the move sane. Smoking on some new names, kicking shit like Luke Kane. But this shit for show, it ain't no gimmick. We don't do no internet beef and keep me out your mentions. I'm a dog, I'm a shooter in a black van, spinning down your block like I'm Batman. Wayne, boy, I'm hotter than a blue flame. Every time I hit the doty, hoes be trying to shoot game.
right, so as you guys can see, you got a lot of different flavors to play with, a lot of different sounds when it comes to choosing your vocal compressor. Personally, I really like the Virtual Mix Rack FG Stress and the Arouser. I think I'm just kind of a distressor guy when it comes to vocals. I just think it sounds fat, but also controlled. Also keep in mind too, I like to mix a little bit of dry signal in with all these compressors. I especially had to mix more dry signal in with the gain reduction by JST, because it's actually such an aggressive compressor. In my opinion, it's great for metal vocals, stuff that you want to be blown out, but for stuff more controlled, I don't really like JST gain reduction, but it's fantastic for extreme music. So keep those things in mind. I hope this was useful to you guys. Hope you were able to check out some of the different sounds of the compressors and pick whatever you guys like the best. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's episode. If you like the content, subscribe to my channel, Schaefer Productions, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man.